Hey, Brian Steer, Blue Homes Real Estate Group, jumping on today with April's market update. Also going to go a little bit longer today. We're going to jump in a little bit of what's going on nationally, obviously with the COVID-19 pandemic. Want to really dig into what's going on with the real estate market in general overall throughout the country, a little bit specifically in the Northeast, and obviously very hyper-local. We're going to do the Wildwoods to start. So we'll start as always north and head south. We'll start with North Wildwood for April of 2020. Also going to reflect on April in 2019 just to kind of compare and contrast. Okay, guys? So total on the market, we have 116 currently. Listed, we had 15 come on the market. In 2019, there was 39. So you'll see the difference there. Sold, 19 sold. In 2019, we had 38 sold. Average sale price of $383,236 is up from April of 2019 when it was $309,005. List to sale ratio 96.89%, also up from 2019 when it was 94.29%. Average days on the market of 167. That is down, so homes are selling quicker in April of 2020 than 2019 when they were 185 average. All right, so move into Wildwood, April of 2020. We have 151 properties currently on the market, 25 listed. In 2019, we had 50 listed in April. We had 23 sold. In 2019, we had 26 sold. Average sale price of $281,690. Again, way up. 2019 April was $238,710. So a big jump there. List to sale price ratio 95.06%. Down a touch from 2019 at 95.12%. Average days on the market. Again, homes are selling quicker. Average days on the market of 139 days. In 2019, that was 166 days. We'll move into West Wildwood for April of 2020. Currently 20 homes on the market, or 20 properties I should say. 2 listed. In 2017, we had 7 listed. 2 sold. In 2019, I should say, we had 3 sold. Average sale price, $441,250. Obviously, this is way up from 2019 of $272,500, but with only a couple properties sold, that number can be skewed pretty easily. List to sale price ratio of 97.79%. That's way up from 2019 when it was 89.72%. And average days on the market, 353. 2019, it was 177 again, with only 2 properties sold. One was on the market a very long time, is going to mess that average up. Moving into Wildwood Crest for April of 2020. 138 properties on the market. 12 listed. In 2019, there was 29 listed. Sold, we had 12. 2019, there was 26 sold. Average sale price, $542,246. Again, way up from the 2019 numbers of $388,811. List to sale price ratio of 94.93, down some from 2019 when it was 96.39. But again, average days on the market, this is only a slight change, but sold in 114 days. Last year in 2019, it was 115 days, so still going down. Finally, Diamond Beach for April of 2020. We have a total of 18 properties on the market. We had 0 new come to market. In 2019, there was 9. We had 2 sold. In 2019, there was 3 sold. Average sale price of $470,000, up from 2019 of $406,000, just over $406,000. List to sale price ratio 98.54. That's up from 2019 when it was 97.22. And average days on the market, this is 102. So this is the only time it went in reverse. In 2019, it was 57 days. So overall, the Wildwoods are still going strong. The numbers are different. If you look overall, listed properties in 2019, we had 134 in April. This April 2020, we only had 54. Sales, also 2019, we had 96 sales. 2020, we had 58 sales. But if you look at that overall picture, we have more sales than listings in April of 2020. 54 listed, 58 sold, which means our inventory is going down. So what was already a low inventory locally and nationally, it's getting lower, which is going to continue to drive demand because obviously it's simple supply and demand. So pricing has gone up, as you can see across the board, and it's my opinion it's going to continue to go up. I do expect overall there to be some more disturbances in the market because of COVID-19 moving forward for the next few months. But once that kind of clears out, prices are still going to go up slowly, and then they're going to continue to rise. If we look at the national picture, the median home sale price for, this is going to be March stats because national numbers don't come out for each month, is lagging about 3 weeks. So they won't come out until about the third week of May for April. But in March, the pricing went up to $280,600 on average. That's up 8% from March 2019 when the national average was $259,700. That also marks 97 straight months of year-over-year gains. So the trend should continue with the pricing going up because, like I said, inventory is low. Total inventory at the end of March nationally was 1.5 million, up 2.7% from February, but down 10.2% from March 2019. That leaves an inventory of unsold homes of 3.4 months, right? That's down from 3.8 months in March of 2019, which basically means that if we stop listing real estate today, nationally, it would take about 3.5 months to sell every single home that's on the market. So a healthy level market is about 6 to 7 months inventory. Anything less than that starts to become a seller's market. So at half of that, we are really in a seller's market, especially locally, which is going to continue to drive pricing. If we look at just the Northeast specifically, March of 2020, existing home sales fell by 7.1%. Again, we're seeing the sales and listings decline, but the average sale price was up to $300,400, which is up 8.3% from March of 2019. So in the end, again, as I said before in a previous video, it looks like real estate, if we get into some kind of recession, is really going to be one of the big drivers to pull us out of it. It has a huge effect on the economy. Inventory is low. People still need homes. People are still coming down. We're seeing less properties hit the market, but we're still seeing tons of properties leave the market, and the prices are continuing to rise. So hopefully the trend continues. I'll check in with you again at the end of May to bring you up to speed on what's going on through May. But if you have any questions, feel free to give me a call, 609-425-9428. Again, it's Brian Steer, Blue Homes Real Estate Group. I hope this was informative and helpful to those of you out there. Stay safe, and I hope to see you on the beach soon.